Testing. 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 Hum. Do you know what it's good for? Hum. Do you know what it's good for? Why would we hum? Hum, what it is good for? Why would you hum? You see that the sound is much longer than the in-breath. And so I'm pushing very slowly all the air out. And I'm humming, I'm vibrating, I'm making a sound, which is causing a vibration. And everything gets squeezed out. All the cells are releasing all the toxics. And so you are actually re-instructing your cells, your whole body, really, by just taking a long breath in, gently, again. Can be even slower, like take more time to do the in-breath, again. Now I stop breathing in. From the moment I closed my eyes, I breathe in, and now I'm holding my breath. And now I'm going to let it out. More air, more air, more air. Hold. Bit more. Tuning the body, vibration, sound, and your voice makes exactly the correct frequency, what your body needs. So if you feel like making different sounds in the humming, just let it be. Just follow what wants to come out. It might be even Aruaha, Warahe, Warahi, which is not a humming, but if you feel like it, ooh, oh, oh, ooh, oh. Deeper breathing. You can take it to any place you want, but you start slowly. Feel the breath in through the whole body, coming up into the brain, to the pineal gland. You can hold the breath, squeeze the muscles in the perineum and the abdomen, pull the belly to the spine, pump, pull the muscles, pump, 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 hold, let go. Many breaths. Just do what feels comfortable and let the body take you. End of part 1.